Guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this really easy and simple Scotch Bonnet Barbie jerk chicken bites. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. I went ahead already, cut up my chicken breast in some small pieces, bite sizes, and I also went ahead and washed my chicken breast with some lime and vinegar and drain off the excess water, alright? Once you do all of that goodness, you just want to go in and season. As per usual, I don't like to use a lot of powdered seasoning on my meat, so basically all I'm going to add to this is some paprika, some all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to add some garlic powder and some black pepper. And of course, once you add all of that powdered seasoning, you're just going to combine everything together. And you always want to ensure that your meat is nicely seasoned, all right? Once it is nicely seasoned, just go ahead and cover it and put it aside for roughly about 30 to 45 minutes, all right? Off camera, I went ahead already and combined some flour, some of my all-purpose seasoning, some of my black pepper, some of my garlic powder, and my paprika together with the flour and shake it up in a bag so that everything will be nicely and evenly distributed, all right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the chicken breast, the flour mixture, as I said earlier. And I also went ahead and put my pot on the stove with some vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. And once it's heated, then we're just gonna go ahead and just put these amazing chicken breasts in there just to allow them to cook, all right? But make sure that your chicken breast is nicely coated, all right? So now it's time to go ahead and add the chicken breast to the hot oil, and we're just going to allow these to fry for roughly about 10 minutes and it should be good, all right? These are not big pieces of chicken breast. They're a little bit, small, so they don't need a long time to cook. And we don't want them to dry out, all right? You can get these amazing ingredients that I'm using today at your local supermarket or grocery store. Guys, remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to be you in the kitchen. And most of all, utilize whatever you have at home, all right? So once one side of my chicken breast is cooked, we're just going to flip them over on the other side and allow the other side to cook as well. Please be reminded, guys, that we want to ensure that the chicken breast is nicely cooked, all right? So, guys, I got some samples of some sauce from amazing company here in Jamaica, Virginia Dare, and they were kind enough to send me some amazing sauces and I decided to give them a try. So we are going to use the Scotch Bonnet sauce today and also the Barbi jerk sauce. So stay tuned and see you in a minute. We are going to prepare this really easy and simple sauce for these amazing chicken breasts, all right? So once your chicken breast is finished frying, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna remove it from the hot oil. You can place it on a plate that is lined with a paper towel and allow the excess oil to drain. Or if you guys have one of these strainer at home that you want to use, you can always go ahead and use it, all right? Whichever you feel comfortable using. Remember to be creative in the kitchen, and guys, remember to be you and just utilize whatever you have at home, all right? So now it's time to go ahead and combine these sauces together. So these are the sauces that I'm talking about, the Barbie jerk sauce and the Scotch Bonnet sauce that I got from Virginia Dare, and they're located here in Jamaica. You can always go ahead and check out their sauces, and I was so surprised, guys. These sauces were amazing. Listen, the consistency of these sauces were so good, and I was so shocked, and they literally taste so good. So we're just gonna use some of the Barbie jerk sauce, as I said before, and the Scotch Bonnet sauce, and of course, I like to add my little touch to it. and I'm gonna add some brown sugar to this and a little bit of water and combine everything together, and I want this to come to a boil. All right, so within 3 minutes you can just go ahead and turn the stove off. All right, basically what you want to do, you just want to ensure that this is thickened. And guys, please note I turned my stove up on high heat, all right, because I want it to come to a boil quickly. All right, so guys, you can check your local supermarket here in Jamaica for these amazing sauce. They do have other stuff on the market. They do have ketchup on the market, and listen, the consistency is good. I love it. And the Barbi jerk sauce was my favorite though. I was so amazed. So you know that your girl have something coming with the Barbi jerk sauce. So stay tuned and make sure you turn on your post notification bell because you don't want to miss this one. All right. So this is it, guys. As you can see, it is looking rich and nice. All right. So in a large bowl, we're gonna go in and just add the sauce over the chicken breast and just shake that up. And basically that is it. And you can always go ahead and have this by itself. You can have it with some fries. And listen, on a Friday night when you feel like you don't want to cook, this is so amazing, and it's really easy and simple. And guys, let me know in the comment section what you think. So we're gonna serve this up and show you guys the final product. So here you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing chicken bites. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and remember to go ahead and check out Virginia Dare for all of their sauces. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.